Here's another PE HVAC question. The question states, in a flowing fluid, the enthalpy is defined as the sum of internal energy and a term known as flow work. Steam at sea level pressure and a temperature has a density of X and an enthalpy of Y. At these conditions, the internal energy is most nearly what? So we're trying to find the internal energy for U. And we're given these other values. So really the tricky thing with this one is getting the units to all match. So we have enthalpy, that is 1192.7 BTU per pound mass. That is equal to U, which is internal energy, plus P, absolute pressure, and this says sea level. So 14.7, and I'm going to actually explicitly write it out. So pound force per inch squared. And this is divided by the density, which is 0.033. 0.033 pound mass per cubic foot. Okay, so our units are kind of all over the place. We have pound foot, our pound force, inches squared, cubic foot, pound mass. Okay, so first let us convert inches squared into foot squared. So we're matching with the feet. So we have 12 inches squared and 1 foot squared. And also, we're going to need to convert this pound force foot that we're left over with. Because if we move this guy up here, this guy will cancel with this 3, and we're left with a foot. These inches cancel. And we need to convert this pound force foot, or foot per pound force, into BTUs. So we have 1 BTU equals 778, I believe. Yeah, 778 foot pound. Okay, so I'm going to get the calculator out. So 14.7 times 12 squared divided by 778 and then divided by 0.033 gives us 82.4. And that is in BTU per pound mass. Okay, so we're just going to subtract that. And we are left with, oh wait, I didn't do that correctly. So 1192.7 minus 82.4. We're left with 1110.3. If we go to our options, B is our closest answer.